Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a very simple, delicious and very easy recipe. This is not exactly biryani but it's close to biryani. This is pulao chicken biryani and I have taken boneless chicken. As you know, the boneless chicken doesn't take long time to cook. Here I am taking 2 pieces of chicken breast. I already washed and cut them into medium size. 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1 medium size chopped onion, 1 medium size chopped tomato, 3 to 4 slitted green chilies, little bit ginger about 1 tablespoon and 3 garlic cloves, vegetable oil about 2 tablespoon, cumin powder half tablespoon, coriander powder half tablespoon, red chili powder half tablespoon, garam masala half teaspoon, turmeric 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, 1 bay leaves, whole garam masala, little bit cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom and some cloves, half tablespoon cumin seeds and pulao biryani masala. Here I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice. I soaked it for 30 minutes. I will cook the rice in the rice cooker. I am adding 1 teaspoon vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Add water. Do not add too much water. I added 2.5 cups water. Let it cook. It will take 10 minutes only. In the meantime, let's marinate the chicken. I am adding 2 tablespoon yogurt and half tablespoon turmeric. I will keep it in the fridge for 20 minutes. Now I will make the tomato, ginger and garlic paste. Add little bit water. Masala is ready. Rice is ready. Remove the lid and let it cool. In the meantime, let's make the chicken. Heat up the pan. Add vegetable oil. Once oil is hot, add bay leaves, whole garam masala, cumin seeds and chopped onion. Fry the onion till golden brown. Add half tablespoon turmeric because we already marinated the chicken with turmeric. Now add masala paste. Add red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. See, I am not using fried onion, coriander and mint leaves, kevra water and saffron milk because I am sharing with you a very simple quick recipe. That's why I made the rice in the rice cooker also. Saute it for 2 more minutes. Add garam masala. Now add water. Do not add too much water because we don't need too much gravy. Now cover it for 15 minutes on high heat. It's been 12 minutes. Let's check the chicken. Now we need to cook on low heat. I'm adding slitted green chilies and stir it gently. It has little bit gravy but I have to reduce the gravy. Let it cook for few more minutes on low heat. Cover it again. Our chicken is ready. It's time to add the cooked rice. Keep the flame on low. You can add half tablespoon ghee but I am not adding ghee. Stir it gently. Now switch off the flame and cover it for 2 more minutes. Then we'll dish out. If you like this recipe, try to make it at home and let me know how it is. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.